Hello traders, in this video we are going to be discussing the weighted close indicator. Alright, so let us start by adding the indicator to the chart. Okay, here we go. The weighted close indicator, it is added to a separate indicator window, right? Now, if you notice, this indicator helps us to quickly identify the prevailing momentum in the market. When the indicator changes its color from red to green, it shows that the momentum prevailing at the time is bullish momentum. You can also see the candlestick colors changing to green at the same time, right? Showing that bullish momentum is prevailing in the market. And then you will notice that the green line is also going to be above this black line, right? The black line remains constant, right? So the black line remains constant. When the momentum is bullish, the green line will cross above the black line. Then when the momentum turns bearish, the green line will cross below the black line and turn to red. So once it turns to red, you will notice that the candlestick colors will also turn to red, right? So that shows that there is bearish momentum in the market. Okay, so in that case, you want to look out for sell opportunities, right? So the main things you want to look out for are the color code, right? The color code between the first line, or rather one of the indicator lines, and the candlestick colors, right? And then the crossover is just more like a confirmation, right? Because when the color changes to red, usually the line will cross below the black line. And then when the color changes to green, usually the other line, the colored line, will cross above the black line, right? So green color usually above black line, red color usually below the black line. And at the same time, when there is red color for the colored line, you will notice the candlesticks also red, and when there is green color for the colored line, the candlesticks will also be green, showing the respective prevailing momentum. Okay, so if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so that you don't miss out on more valuable trading content. In the meantime, thank you for watching. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy trading.